Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really interesting video for you guys today. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of ethnic things that I bought from Amazon. These are the saris and sari blouses and ethnic jewelry. I'm gonna show you guys the jewelry first and finish with it first, and then I'll go to the saris. First of all, I'll show you. I bought two sets of bangles to wear with the saris. So first one, I'm gonna show you the silver color bangles that I bought. So it comes like, yeah, this is the pair that comes together, and I think this one I'll put the link and rates and everything down below in the description box. But this was, I think, 300 and something rupees, but the quality is really good. You guys should see this. Can you see? It's really good. I'm not even kidding, the quality is good. I didn't expect the quality to be this when I saw the rate 300 rupees, but it's 300 and something, but it's actually really good. So yeah, this is the silver. You have one more set for this hand. So this is the silver bangle that I bought, and the next one that I bought is the golden set. This blew my mind, you guys. This one is 300 and something rupees again, but my god, you should see the quality of this one. I never thought I'll get this good quality bangles for 300 and something rupees from Amazon. Trust me, I might wear this for my wedding. I might add in between bangles, but I actually really loved it. This is the quality, and see the stones and everything. The quality is really good. You don't see anything damaged here and there, and I loved it. This for 300 rupees is really worth, you guys. This for 300 and something rupees, anyway less than 500 is worth, because I loved the quality. This looks really good. The stones and everything is so intact, nothing is damaged, nothing is gone, and I loved it. This is really good. I'll move on to the blouses first. So I bought couple of blouses from Amazon. This is the first one. This you might have seen on my Instagram reels and all. I've worn it before. This is actually a sari blouse, and I loved it because it's colorful, so you can wear it with any sari. And it is padded. It is like padded, so you don't have to wear extra bra inside. This is the back side of it. It's like really pretty cut, and it has these things hanging, so it's like really pretty. I loved it. This is 499 rupees, and you have other options as well. The multicolor options, they have different designs, so check it out. For this is 499, and it's worth, because yeah, as I said, you can wear it with any color, it will go. And moving on, the next blouse that I have is this one. This is I think 200 and something rupees, less than 300 rupees for sure. This is 285 rupees, you guys. 285, and you'll get padded. Yeah, this is padded blouse, and this is like lightly padded, it's not like heavy padded. So this one is for 285, and check your size, and this is the back side. It's like really pretty. I loved it. So I love these kind of small strap blouses with saris. It looks really good. Even if you have like a very plain cotton sari also, if you wear it with a blouse like this and style it with really good jewelry, it will look really good. And I bought this one and I loved it, so I bought other colors of the same thing. I'll show you guys. One is that color and one is this color, and this one is not padded. Okay, so I think you have the option to buy padded and non-padded. Either buy padded or non-padded. This one was this is non-padded. I bought non-padded because I don't really want padded. I can actually wear a bra inside this. And this is the back side. It's really pretty, and it's like a very soft thin material. So this is also 285 rupees. And this color I bought is this Rani pink color. This is also non-padded and has a tie and everything behind. This is the back side. So make sure you see the reviews, because all these are coming from one store but it has different patterns. I don't know why. This one has a tie behind, this doesn't have that, and this is non-padded, this is padded. So these are all from the same site, but I mean the same link, but you can select it under which you want and see according to what you want and buy that. So all of these are 285 rupees each. So to the sarees, the first saree that I bought is, I'm buying sarees from Amazon for the first time in my life. I was not sure how the quality is gonna be, but this one actually impressed me a lot because it came and the packaging was really good. It was not even opened, it was ironed, and it was really neat and I loved it. So this one is like this, really pretty, and it's like it's so fresh and really well packed, and inside this they have this butter paper and everything, so it makes you feel like it's really fresh. So this is the sari. This is like a really plain, very simple sari. I am so attracted to simple saris like this. I don't like really gaudy stuff. So this is just has a line here, golden line here. Other than that, it's like very simple. So I'll just wear and show it to you guys. It's like it's a cotton sari, by the way. It's very soft and I loved it. I like it. I like saris like this. Sari that I bought is this orange tie-dye kind of sari, orange tie-dye kind of design, and also this is also cotton and it's very soft. I like very soft, very thin, lightweight saris. So I actually really loved it, the color and everything. It looks really pretty. So I'll just wear it and it smells fresh. I like it. Next sari is this, I think it's a green color, greenish yellow color, and it's again cotton sari. It's polka dot design with black border. That's it. It's like very simple. And I love it. I love it. It's very soft. It's not stiff at all. I don't like stiff saris because it's very difficult to drape it. This one will be very easy to drape, and I like this so much. And the last ethnic styling, just to add to the sari and everything, is this set of bindis that I bought. I mean, I think this was less than 200 rupees. This is like, it has all sizes of bindi, all colors of it, and it's very cheap. So yeah, it's like a lot of bindi. I bought because I was in an ethnic mood. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I'll be posting videos every week. Come back to my, and put that, please click on that notification bell, because a lot of you guys are not even knowing when I upload a video. A lot of you guys texted me saying that you are not getting notified when I upload a video, and that's sad because I'm doing this for you guys. So just click on that notification button and come back and be with me the next time I'm here. And also happy news, I got verified on Instagram, so I'm really happy about that, and I have to thank you guys for that, because without you guys I wouldn't actually do the things that I'm doing in life. I'm so happy about it, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.